So I came outside, and it is raining. Over here it just looks like stuff is dropping down, but it's actually raining. While the sun is out, because the sun is peeking just barely for the... Can I get my phone out enough to... Yes, I can. So this is cool. It looks like a river down there. And down here. I'll just zoom in. Close, it sort of looks like a river and trees and all that. I mean, if you took away all this, the little splashes from like raindrops, it would look more like one. But cool, right? And it looks even more like one over there. How far? Anyways, yeah, that's it. That's all I really have for today. It's been raining a lot. Love it. So yeah. See you on the next one. Bye.